Hi Mami! So we are now up for another vlog, and for this vlog, pag-usapan natin yung isa sa pinaka-intriguing and nakaka-curious when it comes to pumping. And what is that? It's no other than flanges! Ayan, okay. So when I'm just starting my pumping journey, so you know what's my question? Ano yung flange? Ayan. So talagang whenever I am reading a lot of things about pumping, na-curious pa ako, eto ba yung flange? Ito na ba yun? Or ito yung breast pump? Ayan. So yan po yung pag-aaralan natin. Wow, lesson! Ayan po yung aalamin natin. Ayan, mommies, with regards to pumping. Now, if you are new to my channel, please do click subscribe. Or if you've been watching my vlogs but haven't clicked the subscribe button and the bell button, please click nyo na po para ma-update kayo sa mga latest vlogs ko. Thank you! Start natin, of course, sa knowing your right size. Of course, as a pumping mother, lagi natin iniisip, ano ba yung magandang breast pump? Diba? Naiisip natin, yung Medela, gamit ng mga artista. Naririnig ko rin yung Spectra, parang ang bongga. Yan. Tapos, minsan nakikita natin, bakit ang daming nagsasabi ng ganitong brand, yung Wise Mom Pocket, Doopser. Ayan, may naririnig pa ako ngayon na lipstick pump. Ang daming klase ng pump na masyado tayong nafo-focus kung anong pump yung bibili natin. And we even have this thinking na, baka mas mahal, mas effective. Katulad ng mga LV, ayan, yung mga wearable pumps naman, Imani, Yuha, Ins, ang dami talagang choices. But we disregard sometimes yung idea na kailangan pala in pumping, you know your right size. Ayan. So, if you don't know yet your size, dito po sa taas ng video na to, makikita niyo po yung suggestion on how to measure, o how to know your right size. Ayan, pakiclick na lang po yan. And if you want to finish this video first, eto po yung thumbnail ko doon. Ayan, para guided kayo on what to click up after this video. Ayan. So, medyo nagbabakal ako on that part. So, sige, umpisahan na po natin ngayon, assuming that you already know your size, but you're still confused about the different flanges. So, pakilala ko po sila sa inyo. Yung mga flanges na ipapakita ko po sa inyo is yung available sa akin based on the breast pump that I have here sa bahay. Makikita nyo po, iba't ibang klase ng breast kit yung nakikita nyo dyan, iba-ibang klase ng flanges. Let's start, of course, with the flange na talagang ginagamit ko. Ito po iyon, the Wise Mom Flange. Okay, so yung Wise Mom Flange, plastic flange po siya, and ang size nito is 26mm. So if you would ask me, this is too big for me because my size is 21mm and 19mm. So, what I use is the massager. Yung massager po, you don't have to buy this separately kasi kasama na siya sa breast kit ng Wise Mom Pocket. Marami na rin po ako nakikitang pumps ngayon na ganito yung itsura. May massager na siya na kasama. So, you just put it there. Para saan ba yung massager? So, ang purpose ng massager is to decrease the size of the flange. Ayan. So, yun po. Now that I have the massager, from 26mm, yung size na to, dito nyo po kasi, ito yung size, yung pinakabutas. Ang size na ng flange na to ngayon is 20mm to 24mm. So, if your size is between 20 to 24mm, pasok. Yan, pwede nyo itong maggamit ng for painless pumping. So, in my case, kahit 19mm ako, I'm also using this one and okay na yung output ko doon. So, I also tried to order the May Mom Flange. Yung May Mom Flange, if I am not mistaken, is the same also with the flange of Spectra. So, ito naman po is 20mm. I also have the 21mm. Paano nyo makikita yung size ng May Mom? Dito po, so silip lang kayo dyan. Of course, parang imposible namang makita nyo. Talaga inilapit ko pa sa camera. So doon, makikita nyo, pag sinilip nyo yung pinakaloob no, you will see there 21 mm. Ayan. Alright. Ngayon po, you can see here that I also have this breast shield which is silicone. And bakit ganito? So, ginagamit naman po ito sa hands-free cup. Ayan. So, meron din po akong video on hands-free cup and at the same time din po, I also have a video na kinumpare ko yung 3 kinds of HFC. You will also see this kind of breast shield po if you are using wearable pumps. And I also have a video on wearable pumps and you may refer to this thumbnail din po and scan that to my channel later. Okay? Hintayin ko kayo dyan, mommies ha. Comment pagka napanood nyo na. Now, aside from that po, may mga mommies that they do have, say for example, this breast kit, pero yung size nila is smaller than 20 to 24 mm. So, you may buy inserts. So, ito, lagi ito nababanggit. Ano ba yung inserts? Ganito po yung itsura ng inserts. So, may iba't ibang sizes ng insert depending on your size. Yun po. Kung ano yung size na makuha nyo pag nag-measure kayo, yun din yung size ng inserts na o-orderin ninyo. So, merong 15 mm, merong 17 mm. Actually, as far as I know, meron na rin pong 13 mm ngayon. So, how are you going to use inserts naman po? If say, for example, you have flange, ang dapat lang natin tandaan, dapat mas malaki yung size ng flange kesa sa size ng inserts. Siyempre, kasi insert nga. So, ipapasok mo. Okay. So, pag kasi mas malaki, siyempre, yung size ng insert, di mo siya mapapasok sa loob ng flange. Okay. So, ayan. Tulad nito. Ayan. Pinasok ko siya. Ayan. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niya if you will be using inserts inside your flange, and then you're ready to pump. Ayan, ganyan siya. Okay, so say for example naman po, you may also use this kapag may silicone breast shield kayo for your HFC. Yan, ganyan naman siya pag gagamitin mo. Now, I also have here a different kind of breast kit. Ito po sa Medela ito, breast shield po or flange din po. Kaya po siya naiba dito kasi yung forma ng pump ng Medela, ganito po yung kailangan niya. And then, at the same time, yung sa Wise Mom naman, at saka doon sa regular, usual na itsura, ganito siya. Sa Medela po, naiiba kasi siya, no? Ito yung kailangan mo. There's another flange also, sa Medela din to. Nakita ko rin to na flange sa Fanfi, kung saan plastic yung paligid, pero silicone to. Ang advantage lang ng ganito is that, once na dinikit mo na siya for pumping sa iyong breast, is that, hindi masyadong masakit sa breast mo. Lalo na kung super fit, no? Ayan. But then, ang common mistake po kasi sa mommy's thought na kapag silicone yung ganito, or basta silicone yung flange, ito yung painless na kaagad. Kahit po silicone yung flange, kailangan may size pa rin. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng flange ay 3D. So, ano ba yung mga 3D flanges? Nakita ko yung mga 3D flanges sa Wise Mom Pro. Ayan, so makikita nyo po dito yung picture ko na hawak ko yung breast kit ng Wise Mom Pro. It is the same breast kit po na ginagamit sa Horigen. Okay, so di ba ang dami-dami, no? Nag-explode yung mga ideas. Pero, eto po yung mga basic na dapat nating maunawaan. So, number 1 lang naman po talaga, you need to know your right size. And after that, you need to have the right flange for you. For you to have a successful pumping journey. Regardless kung ano yung motor na gamit mo. Although, yes, yung motor, yung breast pump itself, it matters naman talaga. But, that's a different story, no? Focusing on this one, if you have the right size, most probably, you'll have a successful journey. But I would like to add po that there are some mommies who have elastic nipples. When you say elastic po, talagang nag-e-expand during pumping session. So, they need to use silicone flanges na, eto nga po, this one, yung pumping pals. Pictures na lang po yung papakita ko sa inyo because I don't have that one. Okay, wala po akong ganyan. Pero ito po yung sample po na pwede nyo gamitin. Yung Horigen din po and yung Wise Mom Pro Breast Kit is for those mommies, for those people who have elastic Okay? So that's it. I hope that you have learned something from this vlog. This is a very simple vlog, but I hope that I was able to share to you the things that I have learned during my entire journey. So once again, mommies, if you have learned something from this vlog, please do click subscribe. And I would also like to ask na if you have time, please visit my page, Stress Free Mommy. Sa Facebook po ito. So kindly click like, of course, and I would really love to see you there for us to share a lot of things about pumping. So thank you very much and God bless us all.